Given recent events, I probably don't have to convince anyone that society is highly polarized. The previous story that, yes, we're polarized now, but we were also polarized in the early 20s is the story for us changes a little bit. We're polarized now in a way that we never were before. There's often the talk about the Republicans moving right, but the Democrats not moving left very much. In our results, it's actually more symmetric. The Republicans, which is this one, are in fact moving right, and the Democrats are moving left by almost the same amount. The polarization is not all about voters electing extremists. In fact, the timing of the uptick, sort of starting mid-'80s and coming up, kind of suggests that things might even go another way. This coherence of the parties being strong and starting to use these tools has actually driven effective polarization. So in talking about the other elites in a bad way, voters have picked up on that.